Strategic networking. So ito daw strategic networking is building a network or building of contacts to achieve goals or creating a value through relationship forms. So ibig sabihin nagbi-build ka ng relationship para ma ma-achieve yung goals. Halimbawa, kung may projects ka. So, kailangan para mapabilis ka kung kailangan mo ng third party, so doon papasok yung strategic networking, yung logistics. No? Meron ka ng relationship sa kanila, magandang relationship, working relationship. So sa project management, lalo na sa IT, okay yan kasi may mga companies na nangangailangan ng third party. Kailangan mag-outsource. Di ba? So, yan yung importante para ma-achieve yung goals mo. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng sound strategic networking. So, yan yung bago sa project management at saka sa management in general. So, yun lang po.